Connecting Stripe to Shopify is a straightforward process that enables you to accept payments online. To begin, ensure you have a Shopify account and a Stripe account. If you don't have a Stripe account, create one by going to the Stripe website and following the sign-up process. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Settings section. Click on Payment Providers and then click on Add Payment Provider. Search for Stripe and click on the Stripe payment provider. You will be prompted to connect your Stripe account to Shopify. To connect your Stripe account, click on the Connect button and you will be redirected to the Stripe website. Log into your Stripe account and authorize Shopify to access your Stripe account. Once you have authorized Shopify, you will be redirected back to the Shopify admin panel. In the Shopify admin panel, you will see that Stripe has been added as a payment provider. Configure the Stripe payment settings as desired, such as setting the payment capture to automatic or manual. You can also set up webhooks to notify your store of payment events. To test the Stripe payment gateway, create a test order in your Shopify store and proceed to the checkout. Select Stripe as the payment method and complete the payment process. If the payment is successful, the order will be marked as paid in your Shopify admin panel. It is essential to note that Stripe has different payment plans and fees associated with each plan. Ensure you understand the fees and terms of service before using Stripe as a payment provider. Additionally, make sure to comply with Stripe's terms of service and Shopify's terms of service to avoid any account restrictions. By following these steps, you can easily connect Stripe to Shopify and start accepting payments online. Remember to test the payment gateway and configure the settings according to your business needs. With Stripe and Shopify, you can provide a seamless checkout experience for your customers and grow your online business.